So the other day my car wouldn't start up. Turns out I left an interior light on and drained the battery. Like a boss. Anyway, as soon as I discovered my battery blunder, I thought, cool, now I can make a video about the NOCO GENIUS1. So I got the GENIUS1 off Amazon for about 30 bucks. The price was right. It fit my very basic need, which was getting a simple charger to top off a car battery when needed. It had lots of positive reviews, and it was small, so it'd be easy to store away when not in use. So let's check it out. Now this is one product where I definitely recommend reading the manual before using. The GENIUS1 itself is very small, about the size of a power adapter. It's a 1 amp charger designed for 6 and 12 volt batteries. Comes with positive and negative clamps, an inline fuse. I like how the connectors between the clamps and the charger are configured so you can only connect them together one way. So let's charge up a battery. So I've got a regular 12 volt wet car battery I got at Costco. And in order to charge it, I had to remove it from my car and drag it to my garage, which was kind of a hassle. Before charging it up, I checked the voltage, and it was around 11.5 volts. Not nearly enough to power my car, but that's why we got the GENIUS1. So following NOCO's manual, which you should read, I'll take my unplugged GENIUS1 and connect positive first, then negative, I'll then power it up and select 12 volts. And now the charge LED is slowly blinking red, telling us the battery is indeed being charged. Now a note. I ended up not charging the battery nonstop over the course of a few days. Instead, I only charged it during daytime hours. My reason for this? I have a detached garage, and I was leery of leaving this setup unattended for multiple hours/days at a time. So I ended up charging the battery during the daytime over a few days. In total, I charged it for around 32 hours. But in between those charging sessions, over the course of the nights when I wasn't charging the battery, it would lose voltage overnight. So just something I had to consider. So after all was said and done, I never got to the pulsing or solid green LED, which signifies a charge of 75 to 100%. To get to that promised land, I think I would have needed to leave the battery connected nonstop for multiple days, which isn't surprising since it's a 1 amp charger. Now my battery did get up to 12.7 volts, which was good enough for me. At that point, I quit charging and schlepped it back to the car. And since then, it has performed fine, starting and powering the car with no issues. So today, since it's been a while since I've charged the battery, I checked it with both a multimeter and a tester, and got about 12.9 volts, so it's maintaining a charge pretty well. So for me, the NOCO GENIUS1 did what I needed it to do. It got my battery up to a level where it could start up and power my car without an issue, and the car has been maintaining the battery ever since, so I'm pretty pleased with it. So that's about it for the NOCO GENIUS1. I think it's a really good deal as long as you understand that at 1 amp it's not a speedster and that it may take a few days to charge your battery fully. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.